Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. It's been quite some time, since we covered Pepe. I try my best to give you guys these Pepe updates, and pretty much throughout the year of 2024, I've been giving you guys almost daily updates on Pepe. But continue supporting. We're back on track. I'm gonna try my absolute best to give you guys a coverage every single day. So I do need your guys' support. Continue supporting, and you will see the continuation of these updates. So looking across the board, quite a bit of green across the board, but let's not get too excited as of now. If you do watch the channel, you guys know exactly why I say that. So Pepe is up about 1% over the past 24 hours. Looking at it on the weekly time frame, it is down about 8.6%, as well as about 22.3% on the monthly time frame. But just a quick reminder to everyone, this is one of the largest gainers over the course of the last 1 year. And to the people that think we're not in a bull market, I really want you guys to take a look at this. Really take a look at this carefully and really understand whether or not we're in a bull market or not. We actually are in a bull market, but majority of the altcoins are not feeling the love, and that is due to the landscape shift that we're seeing. Bitcoin is at the forefront, and we haven't really seen the altcoin season occur because, of course, if you're looking at the dominance never really went down as to what we have seen in the past. So could we see that quarter 4? We'll see as time goes by. But let me know your personal thoughts down below as to what's really happening. But Pepe, specifically if we're talking about Pepe itself, one of the major winners for the last 12 months. If you obviously bought back last year, I'm sure you guys are not complaining without a doubt because you're up, hundreds of percents. But let's take a closer look and see what's happening with Pepe and, of course, what is yet to come. But before I do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking at the price, still 5 zeros in front of the price, currently sitting at 6887. We're up about 1.5% in pretty much all three comparatives, whether you look at it on Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USD side. You're pretty much up in all three comparatives. So of course, that is a plus point if you look at it from that point of view. Market cap is at about 2.9 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at about $700 million. And as far as holder count goes, look at this, guys. We haven't had a coverage for Pepe about 2 weeks, but the holder count continuously grows. This shows you people are, dollar cost averaging in. People are dollar cost averaging in, and that's just the reality. But one specific thing I really want to emphasize today about Pepe, which again, a lot of people are confusing themselves when people compare Pepe to a small micro cap coin, which is like 10 million market cap. Come on, guys, are you serious? Most of these coins are getting rugged left and right. Pepe has actually made itself as the big boy, if you want to call it. It's ranked as the top 3, in terms of ranks. Look at that. It's almost double the market valuation of Dog with Hat. So as far as the new cycle coins go, this has that narrative switch. We've been seeing dogs before. We've seen dogs pretty much ruling as far as meme coins go, but this time around cats are gaining traction. We've seen Pop Cat, cats in dogs world, but never seen a frog coin like this really gain so much traction and sitting at such high valuation. And look at the narrative. This changed. How many different types of Pepe coins are there? Hundreds. Whether you look at it on Tron chain, whether you look at it on Solana, whether you're looking at it, of course, on Ethereum, this has been a complete shift and the narrative. And you can see there's literally one coin called Pepe that's up 140%. But that does not mean these coins are going to come to the level of Pepe. Absolutely not. I don't think that. But you could see the narrative that I'm speaking about. It really tells you that Pepe has pretty much a lot of momentum against some of its competitors, and as of now, it's still the leader in terms of the new meme coins of this cycle. No one is coming close. Of course, Dog with Hat, you could say, but it's still 50% lower in terms of market valuation compared to Pepe itself. So Pepe is remaining to obviously target to get to the top 2, and I've been saying that I do see that can actually end up happening. But of course, time is going to tell. Looking at dominance index, really saw a sharp dip, and this is the catalyst behind the green that we're seeing across the board. Bitcoin is not in the safe end at all. We're in the danger zone actually, even though we're seeing a little bit of a green day. Nothing too crazy at all. So let's not get excited about that. Market can actually go even lower considering the way Bitcoin is sitting at. But with that said, let's take a look at what's happening with Pepe. So Pepe actually been ranging within this level. Speaking about this level, Pepe actually has revisited these levels before. Let's kind of go back to August 5th. August 5th, we actually wicked down to the 5903 zone. And from the 5903 zone, we actually saw Pepe go up 65%. And you could really understand the significance of that key resistance. I've spoke to you guys about this before. It's really, really important for the price of Pepe to be above that. Obviously, it's not the case right now, but we would love to see the price of Pepe sitting above here. But of course, right now, we're sitting at some critical support. The critical support actually is around the 63.32. You can see we actually got supported by that range. Seeing a little bit of a move towards the upside, quite a bit of resistance. Obviously, my main target for Pepe would be is to reclaim back above this key resistance and start making its way up to the August 24th highs. But I'm liking what I'm seeing for Pepe. The way it's consolidating, the way it's holding against the broader market. Obviously, people are going to come out and say, well, it has seen quite a big sharp drop. So did the entire market. This is where your due diligence comes into play. This is where your due diligence research comes into play. But so far so good. I like what I'm seeing. Let me know down below what you guys think. And again, if you want to see more of these updates on a regular basis, please hit that red subscribe button and do let me know in the comments. Love each and every one of you guys from the Pepe community. We'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.